what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Subi Vet. And in today's video, we're going to be checking out my friend Jake's 2015 Mustang GT. Jake, why don't you go tell us a little bit about your car?
Alright, so it's a 2015 Ford Mustang GT. I've had it a little under 2 years now. I have done a little bit of things to it.
What kind of things have you done?
I have an Airraid intake on it.
Airraid folder.
Yep. And then I have a Roush Cat Back Exhaust.
Okay. So it's pretty loud then.
Somewhat.
Yeah. But that's going to change even more so in a few weeks, 2 months.
In a few weeks, I'll be putting cooked headers, launching headers on them.
Okay.
And then, yeah, we'll see how that goes.
We're going to see how that goes, guys. Yeah, we're not going to waste your time. We're going to go ahead and get this on the road. We're going to get you guys some exhaust clips and a few pulls.